Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. No more hot fires on the outside. I'm roasting corn in the oven. Let's do it. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you've just subscribed, welcome to our family. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.